is the dysfunctional House Republican shutdown of the government going to impact your ERISA disability insurance claim? Now, you're probably wondering why I'm asking that question, because you're applying for or getting your ERISA disability benefits. Well, as you probably know, under most ERISA disability policies or plans, you're required to apply for Social Security disability benefits because the disability insurance company gets the right to reduce your long-term disability benefits by the receipt of your Social Security benefits and that of your children. If you don't apply, they're going to act as if you were getting those Social Security benefits. You have an affirmative obligation to continue the application process. Now, the initial application and the request for reconsideration are considered by a state agency called DDS, who is in communication with the local Social Security office. We anticipate, because of the shutdown, that the DDS office and the local Social Security offices are basically going to furlough their employees. That means that your application is sitting there. Your request for reconsideration is sitting there. And what do you think the Social Security Administration is going to be doing when they get back to work? Well, they're going to try to catch up, which means more delay to you. The other problem that we're going to have, I think, is that disability insurance carriers may not necessarily be sympathetic with this delay. If that's going to happen to you, or is happening to you, you should be contacting your ERISA disability attorney, or an attorney such as myself, to explain to the disability carrier or plan where you're at in the claims process and how this isn't necessarily your fault. You're proceeding, and you can't proceed if the government is shut down. Another problem area is hearings. We anticipate that any Social Security disability hearing that's scheduled is going to go forward. But I promise you, they're not going to be scheduling any new Social Security disability hearings. So while you may have applied, been denied, filed your recon, been denied, now you're at the hearing stage. And of course, the disability carrier wants an answer as quickly as possible because they want to say, you've been overpaid, we want some of our money back. And by the way, we're going to deny your claim, but that's a different topic. If that is the scenario here, once again, you need to be speaking with your ERISA disability attorney so that they can be communicating with the policy, the insurance company, or the plan, and explain to them where you're at in this entire process. You don't want the disability insurance carrier to take advantage of you because of the House Republican shutdown of the federal government. If you have any questions about your rights to your ERISA disability benefits or ERISA disability and Social Security benefits, give me a call at 727-894-3188. I handle both, and I handle them across the United States. I look forward to helping you get the disability and Social Security disability benefits you deserve. 727-894-3188.